Switching to a new phone? Here's how to transfer your WhatsApp messages seamlessly with 5 easy methods. Let's dive in. Way 1. How to transfer WhatsApp messages to new phone without backup. No limitations. Many solutions fail across different OSs. WhatsApp transfer works on most computers, making data transfer quick and easy. Step 1. Download and install the program on a computer. Then start it and select the WhatsApp transfer section from the initial screen. Step 2. Choose the WhatsApp tab from the left menu and go for Transfer WhatsApp Messages from the incoming sections. Step 3. Link 2 Android mobiles to this computer via USB cables. The program will detect the devices and display them on its interface. Here, ensure that they are where they should be, or tap Flip to switch their positions. Step 4. Click Transfer to start moving WhatsApp to your new phone. The transfer progress bar will tell you where the task is. Step 5. Once done, plug 2 phones from this computer and restart WhatsApp on the new phone. Next, you should see the following screen. Now, simply click Restore on the new handset. Way 2. How to manually transfer WhatsApp messages to new iPhone via QR code. Connect both phones to Wi-Fi. On the old phone, go to Settings, Chats, Chat Transfer. Then scan the QR code with your new iPhone. Keep both phones on until the transfer is complete. Way 3. How do I transfer WhatsApp messages to new phone by email? On your iPhone, go to WhatsApp Settings, Chat Settings, Email Chat. Select Chats to transfer. Choose Attach Media or Without Media, then send to your email. On your Android, sign in to receive the files. Way 4. How to transfer WhatsApp messages to new phone iPhone via iCloud. Connect both iPhones to Wi-Fi. On the source iPhone, go to Settings, Apple ID, iCloud. Enable Backup and tap Backup now. On the new iPhone, restore from iCloud Backup and install WhatsApp to get your chats. Way 5. How to transfer WhatsApp messages to new phone Android via Google Drive. On the old Android, go to Settings, Chats, Chat, Backup. On the new phone, sign in, install WhatsApp, and enter the same number. Tap Restore to recover your chats and media. Way 6. How to transfer WhatsApp messages to new phone Samsung via Smart Switch. Backup WhatsApp on the old phone via Settings, Chats, Backup. Install Smart Switch. Connect both phones, and select WhatsApp to transfer. On the new phone, verify your number and tap Restore to recover chats.